क्रिप्टो और एनएफटी अनियंत्रित हैं और इनके साथ अत्यधिक जोखिम जुड़ा हो सकता है। संभव है कि इस प्रकार के लेनदेन से हुए किसी भी नुकसान के लिए कोई विनियामक सहायता उपलब्ध ना हो। किसी भी सूचना के लिए बिटसाइफर लैब्स एलएलपी से support@coinswitch.co पे संपर्क करें।
If you're in crypto, then this week has been very, very interesting. If you just type the word Bitcoin price on YouTube, your feed will be full of YouTubers and their videos with really shocking expressions and $1 million BTC written all over their thumbnails. This is the only show where we try to make sense of the chaos all around the crypto market. It's the 21st of March, Tuesday. I'm Ankit Vengur, and this is your weekly CoinSwitch price analysis. Today we're going to take a look at three tokens and their price movement. Bitcoin, what a week it's been for BTC, Solana, and EOS. Let's start with Bitcoin. Over the last 1 week, with so much crisis happening around American banks, Bitcoin has seen a rather bullish week. And last week was also important because since June 12th, 2022, for the first time, BTC breached a $25,000 mark. And that was a very, very key move. It almost touched a high of $28,500 before settling back down. Bitcoin now seems to consolidate around the $28,000 level and is trying to form a strong support base before moving higher. Therefore, we can see that the Bitcoin price correction may happen for a bit as it tests the support around 22 lakh rupee level according to the Fibonacci retracement scale. And one of the top news when it comes to Bitcoin price movement in the next 90 days was Balaji's tweet, where he postulated that over the next 90 days, BTC may actually touch a price point of $1 million. Or will it? Which is why we thought, let's dial in an expert. Parth Chaturvedi joins us from Mumbai to tell us what he thinks of the $1 million case study.
Yeah, in truly spectacular fashion, Balaji has sent out what he's calling to as the bit signal, sort of like the bat signal, basically to gain attention from users worldwide of fiat as to how this bubble is imploding in front of us. The bet is basically that by the end of 90 days, Bitcoin's price is going to hit 1 million. I think more than the number itself, what Balaji is trying to do is highlight to the general masses that Bitcoin is sort of like as a opt out of the current fiat regime. Again, at the very core of the problem is fractional reserve banking. Fractional reserve banking has been practiced since centuries, and it is very basic concept. It allows for banks to loan out more money than they actually have deposits for. And whenever there are stressful situations and every deposit holder wants his money back, bank runs like this happen. And that's exactly what we saw unfold with Silicon Valley Bank in the last couple of weeks. Bitcoin, on the other hand, has a fixed supply schedule. Bitcoin, there will only be 21 million Bitcoin ever mined. The supply schedule is also fixed. We know that the next halving event is going to happen next year. So Balaji's main take there is that why not put in your money or park your money in an asset which has which cannot be basically manipulated by policies or monetary policies by central bankers. So that is the main crux of his bet. He's also betting on the fact that the banking crisis is going to become like a more major financial crisis, and he is betting on hyperinflation. I think the main reason for this bet that Balaji has made is to grab eyeballs, is to grab attention to the fact that there is a better monetary system that exists outside our traditional banking channels, and BTC could be that alternative hard money asset class.
One thing is for sure, and we keep repeating that on CoinSwitch, and that is DYOR. Do your own research. Do not fall prey to tweets or WhatsApp forwards or FOMO. The next important target or resistance for Bitcoin is at 25,50,000 level. As Bitcoin mirrors the overall market sentiment, keep a close eye on the market developments and news of banking crisis as they can impact the crypto market globally. Next up is Solana. And Solana's token SOL is back in the top 10 crypto ranks as high redemption in BUSD stablecoin resulted in a fall in market cap. On the daily charts, we can see that SOL is rising higher, breaking above the 50 EMA line and has gained over 9% in the last 7 days. As the charts on CoinSwitch Pro indicate, as RSI continues to move higher from the neutral zone, the bullish momentum is most likely to stay. A break above the 1950 rupees level and 200 EMA is most likely to result in SOL price reaching above the 2100 rupees level and then hopefully above 2500. Below 1700 and 1550 rupee levels are likely to provide strong support for SOL if it moves lower. Moving on to the final coin in this week's price analysis, EOS. Yesterday we heard a big development in the EOS blockchain, wherein EOS network has decided to direct $20 million of funds towards the development of dApps and gaming products on its blockchain, which is expected to attract a whole host of developers to this platform. In the last 7 days, as the charts show, EOS is consistently moving higher after testing for support at the 90 rupee level and has gained over 8% during this period. EOS has broken above the 50 and 200 EMA simultaneously and is now consolidating around the 100 rupee level. If the overall strength in Bitcoin continues, it is likely to send EOS price towards its next major resistance level at 107 rupees and towards the 120 level. That's all we've got in this week's price analysis. As always, we request you to do your own research and not fall prey to really lucrative WhatsApp forwards. We'd love to hear from you in the comments what you think of Balaji's prediction for $1 million price point for BTC over the next couple of months. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with all your friends and crypto buddies, and subscribe to CoinSwitch YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching.
क्रिप्टो और एनएफटी अनियंत्रित हैं और इनके साथ अत्यधिक जोखिम जुड़ा हो सकता है। संभव है कि इस प्रकार के लेनदेन से हुए किसी भी नुकसान के लिए कोई विनियामक सहायता उपलब्ध ना हो। किसी भी सूचना के लिए बिटसाइफर लैब्स LLP से support@coinswitch.co पे संपर्क करें।